I'm a man of my word. I'm a man of my word. We got that We got that PinkPantheress noises plus JT. Lego. Oh, I like that. Oh, that shot.
I guess I'll cut it wrong today. It's not
Ooh.
I steal the shirt from them, no matter what them people say. I got it and remember I forgot to pay.
I love jungle, yo.
I feel like
Hold on. All right. We're gonna run that back. That's the last time I'm running it back.
I guess I'll cut it wrong today. It's not my holiday. I steal the shirt from them, no matter what them people say. I got it and remember I forgot to pay. I feel like he would care about it anyway. I'm home alone. I'll do just what I wanna do. I hear someone knock my door, but now I'm in the mood. But my parents said that they would be returning soon. I think I hear some noises from my living room.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
I used to step on hoes, I upgraded the stumping. I'm with my bitches shaking ass for pounds in London. Ghetto cunt, front page, they ain't see it coming. I'm in that vintage Galliano, pussy stunting.
What the fuck is that?
I used to step on hoes, I upgraded the stumping. I'm with my bitches shaking ass for pounds in London. Ghetto cunt, front page, they ain't see it coming. I'm in that vintage Galliano, pussy stunting. I got a movie, I'ma pay that bitch just to let that hoe sneeze. I'm on the island high as fuck, counting palm trees. The only one on the mind, I need some
Oh my
company.
god, bro.
All of them all popping tags, I'm litty as a bitch. We the palace shaking ass, I put the city in this bitch. Let's go with the baddies, shooting bumps, nothing equal by the street. I'm in my own lane, don't make me step up out this bitch.
I promise you I haven't got a thing
That's
to
a nice
spare.
shot.
You should go up to
Ooh.
come with everything because we like to share. Am I hearing things or is that someone there?
What the fuck?
I'm a whore for some black and white cinematography. A whore for it.
What is that?
What the fuck is that? The fuck is that? This step on next.
Pink Panther seems like the coolest chick to hang out with ever, yo. Great song. I love the jungle influence. PinkPantheress is a phenomenal artist. I love City Girl. I love JT coming in, bringing those City Girl lyrics on top of that jungle beat. That fusion with was way better than I could have ever imagined it. And then just the way she came in, her confidence, her prowess, her beautiful chocolate skin, just looking beautiful as ever. God, made me feel fertile. Ugh. But your boy knew it's Devontae, Luminous Frequencies. Let me know if you like that one, because I did. See you in the next one. Peace.